Hey folks, Christy here from Big Review TV, and we are at the Calmsley Hill City Farm, just under an hour's drive from the city on the M7 in Abbotsbury. Now, this is a working farm with native animals, but it also has some exotic animals here as well. So let's go check them out. So guys, I know how to crack a whip now. I can milk a cow and shear a sheep, pretty much set for my country life. And you can be too. Come out to Calmsley Hill City Farm and see the amazing activities that you can do out here, or just relax in nature with a picnic. Until next time, this is Christy from Big Review TV.
G'day, Noah here from Calmsley Hill City Farm. You can find us at calmsleyhill.com.au. We're located in Abbotsbury, just outside Sydney. Look forward to seeing you soon.